So over here, you can see that I have this particular book file right here, just like this. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and export out a PDF file of this book. So I can go ahead and share it out with others or print it out as needed. So to do that, over here on the left hand side on the book section itself, you can see that export book to PDF is an option. So here what you can do is, as you were to click on it, you can go ahead and then save it out over here onto, let's say for example, onto the drive that you want. So I can go ahead and let's say for example, I'm going to simply go ahead and say photo book right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the save button right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see the exporting of book is happening right here on the top. So you need to go ahead and wait for the processing to actually finish. So you can see that it is exporting the book to PDF right there, and it is complete now. And now over here in my folder right here, you can see that I have this book. Let me just go ahead and then open it out with something. So let's just go ahead and open this out with my Firefox browser right here, just like this. And then around over here, you can see that there is the book right here. Let me just not worry about any of those. And you can see the book right here in PDF format, everything arranged out, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then export out your book from book module as a PDF document so that you can share it out with others or print it out as you need from Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.